It is a huge privilege to be able to learn to sit at the feet of those who have gone before you and hear their stories, their successes, their failures, their fears, their challenges, their triumphs. Take it in and make a decision.
I am favored. I am favored. Favor surrounds me like a shield. Favor covers me from now. Today I reunite with my Father. Oh, I am favored. I am favored. Favor carries me. Favor walks with me. Favor dwells with me. Favor lives with me. Divine favor. When you see me, you will see divine favor. Oh, favor. It surrounds me like a shield.